In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom header for your WordPress website using the Elementor Header and Footer Builder. This is a fantastic tool if you're looking to customize your website's header with ease and flexibility, enhancing your visitors' experience right from the moment they land on your page. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Plugins section. From there, click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Elementor Header and Footer Builder. You'll find it among the search results. Go ahead and install the plugin, and once it's done, make sure to activate it as well. This plugin will give you the powerful features of Elementor combined with a straightforward approach to constructing headers and footers. Next, move to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard. Here you'll find a new option called Header Footer Builder. Click on it, and, once inside, look for the Add New button and give it a click. You're about to create your header template, so you'll want to select Header as the type of template. Feel free to name it whatever makes sense to you, just something that you'll remember later on. Then, hit the Create Template button to move forward. With your template created, you can now harness the power of Elementor to design your header. Elementor is a drag-and-drop page builder that allows you to add various widgets and styles effortlessly. Start by adding your website's logo. You can do this by using the image widget if you have a specific logo uploaded, or you can use the site logo widget if you'd prefer to automate displaying the logo that your WordPress settings pull by default. Next, incorporate navigation elements through the Nav menu widget, which is essential for guiding your visitors around your website seamlessly. Enhance your header further by adding buttons or icons. These could be social media links, call-to-action buttons, or any other icons that fit with your brand's identity and functional needs. Finally, it's time to publish your header. Once you've designed it to your liking, click on the Publish button. Before you finalize, you'll need to set display rules that dictate where your newly created header should appear. A common choice is to select Entire Site, ensuring that your custom header is visible on every page of your website. This creates a consistent look and feel throughout your site, reinforcing your brand's identity. Take a moment to save your work, and there you have it, your custom header, crafted just the way you want. Now, with each visitor that comes to your site, they'll be greeted with a header that isn't just functional, but also a stylish representation of what your site is all about. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.